Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am using the fourth and final fragrance in the Joyful Holiday Collection by Bramble Berry. This is the Maple Pecan Fragrance, and so I thought cupcakes. I haven't made them in a while and like too long, and I thought why not do some cupcakes with this. So before I get started by mixing my lye and my oils together, I'm going to add a little bit of this copper penny mica to my oils and mix it in. Because I am not doing any other color, these cupcake bases are all going to be this copper penny color. I'm just going to mix that in now. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. And then add in my lye solution. Just get it to a light trace. It doesn't need to be anything crazy. I am just going to pour these in the silicone cupcake liners, and that is the start of this soap anyway. So let's get going. I just have trouble lining that thing up. All right. Alright, so I've mixed in that Maple Pecan Fragrance oil, and I'm going to start pouring them into my silicone cupcake molds. I've got a couple different shapes going on here. I don't know, I thought it would be fun to just mix things up a little bit. The notes in this fragrance are caramel, maple, vanilla cream, pecan, and musk. And out of the four fragrances, it is my favorite. I feel like when Bramble Berry comes out with a new collection, there's always one fragrance that speaks to me the most, and I love this one. It is so good. It says it doesn't discolor too, which to me is like a dream come true when you have a sweet fragrance with no vanillin in it and doesn't turn the soap brown. I'm all about it. So it'll be nice to be able to do some soap frosting in white and have it not turn brown with this fragrance. So that is really, really cool. And it also behaves really well. There was no ricing or separation or anything going on there. It actually slowed down trace, and it made my batter really liquid. So if you want to make cupcakes, this is a really good fragrance oil for it, in my opinion. Alright, so I'm going to get a couple more liners over here and let these sit for a couple of minutes and whip up my soapy frosting, and we'll put some toppings on them. So to top these off and decorate each one, I've got these little melt and pour waffles that I'm going to stick on the side of each one of the cupcakes. When I thought of maple, I think of pancakes and waffles, so that is going to represent the maple part. The pecan is going to be represented by actual melt and pour pecans. Look at that. And I'm going to put on a little bit of like a sprinkle of walnut shells on there, like ground walnut shells. Whoops. Runaway pecan. Pecan, pecan. I go back and forth. I like pecan better. Oh, it's such a weird word. Depends on where you're from, I suppose. But yeah, some walnut shells sprinkled on there to look like a little bit of like a crumb texture to it. I've been using that a lot lately. And then I have some melt and pour off to the side that I've colored to look like a maple syrup drizzle. And yeah, that is going to be the maple pecan cupcakes. I will let these sit for 24 hours before I come back and unmold them and show you guys. Hey, this smells so good. My favorite. These turned out so yummy looking, and it's time to unmold them. So I'm just going to peel off this cupcake liner and then just push it out through the bottom, and that is what they look like. Yum! These are going to be available on the December 16th shop update if you want to get your hands on one. Don't they look so good? And they smell good, you guys. It really is my favorite fragrance of all of them. Love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you have a very nice day, and I will smell you later.